I just found a faceless YouTube channel called Ink Explainer that pulling in close to $600 every single month, and it has made me wonder, can I create that same style start to finish using nothing but AI? With one catch, I am doing it in under 20 minutes. Let's find out. If you want to learn how to automate content like this with AI and build a channel that can bring you a real income from scratch, without showing your face, without knowing how to animate, and without hiring an editor, this video is for you. Today I will take you from a blank page to a fully rendered, fully voiced, copyright, music cleared video, one AI workspace, start to finish, and I will show you exactly how this turn into real income, not just a finished video. We break the entire workflow down into three simple steps that everyone can follow, even if you are a complete beginner. And although a lot of people believe YouTube doesn't pay for AI content anymore, I am going to show you exactly how a channel like this stay fully monetized. Stick around till the end. Now look at vidIQ show Ink Explainer making close to $600 and even more than $600, which is generally impressive for a channel like this size. A lot of people say AI channel get demonetized. That's true, but only when they are bring zero value. YouTube doesn't care about whether the content is AI made. What it's actually care about is whether it's worth watching. And here is the part that actually matter for you. This channel is only 2 months old. This is not someone channel that got lucky years ago. This works starting today from zero. That's because this channel is completely evergreen, and that's exactly the format we are building. One thing worth being clear about, we are using this as a style reference, not creating someone else's actual video. There is a real difference between inspiration and copying. Keep this section anchored to your actual video topic and its hook. Don't let the workflow explanation take over the story. When you're building a character in Segmio, make it noticeably different from any reference image you use. And I will tell you how you can do this. So the final design is clearly your own, not a copy. Now look at this.
What if one rainstorm could decide whether you lived or died? Imagine you haven't eaten in 2 days. You know exactly where the herd is. You trapped it yesterday, you found its prints, you mapped the route in your head. Then the rain begins. It isn't a drizzle. It pours without stopping. The tracks disappear into the mud. Now you can't hunt. Every step becomes a risk. One twisted ankle could mean death. The river beside your camp keeps rising.
One workflow, two format, landscape for YouTube, portrait for Instagram and shorts, same script, same character, same rendered. Let's turn this idea into a real profitable channel, even if you are a complete beginner. Three simple steps. Let's get into it. Step 1. The script. Pick any story angle, a real event, a twist, a moment worth 30 seconds of someone's attention. Open ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude, whichever you already used. Here is the exact prompt I run. That's step 1 done. Now we bring it to life. Go to Segmio and sign up. Then go to segmio.ai/upload. Choose script text and paste the script in. Since this is a short, set the project to portrait so every image generated comes out already framed vertical. Enable generate AI voiceover. Pick your voice and quality. Adjust voice setting if you want slightly variation. Generate it. Once it sounds right, we stay right here. Same workspace, nothing else to open. Segmio already read that voiceover and assign each sentence its own scene length automatically. That's exactly how long each images hold on screen. Now the character. Instead of reusing it exactly, run it through Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro for higher fidelity. With a prompt like redesign this character with a distinct color palette and slightly different proportions, keep the Stickman style. On every sentence, upload that same reference image during AI generation. That what keep the character consistent from first scene to last. I am linking the reference board in description so you can grab it and build your own version from here. Now let's actually generate the sentence by sentence. Paste the scene description, attach your reference character image and hit generate. First scene, lone stickman sitting slumped again, hungry and worried. Reference attach, generate, and that's your opening shot. Second scene, same three step, referencing stay attached the whole time. Once more, so you can really see it hold up. Same face, same proportion every single time. From here is the same three step on repeated prompt reference generation throughout the storm, rolling in, the tribe in cave, the river rising all the way to the end of the script. 8 scenes in, and the character was not drifted once. That is the reference doing its job. With the character log, generate the rest of your images, same reference every scene so the style never break. Hit render. That's your video. Script to finish shot. Now before this going away near YouTube music, this is the step that's get skipped more than any other. Right before someone first video get copyright claim and we still don't need to leave this screen. Right below your video preview, that's generate AI background music. It's analyze your script and build a custom track around it automatically. You get two versions, Minimax 2 and Minimax 2.6. Minimax 2 is a newer, more refined version, so that's my default. 2.0 is still there if you want a different creative take on the same script with lower cost. Keep it low enough that voice stay the focus around 2 to 4%. You can also check because it depend on the music type. If you are rather use a real licensed human made music instead, the option still open. YouTube Studio built-in library is free, or if you are already subscribed to Epidemic Sound, download a track there and upload it straight into Segmio. It still end up mixed into the same final render. Export and upload it straight to YouTube, short portrait ready to go, or even on Instagram. That's it. That's the whole video. That channel is making close to $10,000 a month from same style build without me touching a single editing timeline. No animation skill, no editing software, no 20 tabs open, just a script, one space and about nearly 10 to 20 minutes. If you want to build this type of channel yourself, the reference character board and the exact script prompt are both in description. Go use them today, not someday. If this workflow was actually useful to you, tell me the only way that you show up, subscribe and drop a comment with the niche you want to build next. I actually make it. See you in next one.